Hello and welcome to Butcher Meat Chef. Jeff Jenkins, back by popular demand. Dog Days Bbq. You're expanding, aren't you? What are you doing lately?
We are growing. Got our own brick and mortar now.
Right.
Our location on St. Clair Street, corner of Gregory and St. Clair, 585 St. Clair.
That's open now, or is it just
we're working on the building right now. It's our commissary. Yep. It's our catering kitchen. Expand into the community even more now on the catering end of things. Yep. Eventually, what our game plan is to have it open as a takeout. Strictly takeout, kind of the old southern atmosphere to it. We're just looking forward to that coming this fall.
Teach us how to do something that everybody can do at home themselves. Right?
Absolutely. So today we're going to do spatch cocked chicken. I've had this in a brine now for about, I'll say 5-6 hours.
Yeah, what's the brine?
The brine is pickle juice.
That's it?
That's it.
Because everybody seems to be so confused when they say brine it. What do I brine it with?
You don't have to get too crazy with your brines.
Right.
Everybody has pickles at home.
Yeah.
You've got pickle juice.
Yeah.
I mean, if you want to jazz it up, add some heat. You can add some citrus. You can do all these different notes.
Right.
But I just go straight pickle juice.
Awesome. So I've done that before with chicken and then breaded it and deep fried it.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
That works great too.
Oh,
right? So we're cooking this on charcoal today.
Charcoal.
With a big green egg.
I'm just going to pull it out of this brine here. I'm going to pat it down, dry it up a little bit.
Okay.
We're going to season it.
Yep.
I'm going to add some fresh dill to it, because I'm a dill fiend.
Yep.
I'm going to kick it up a notch.
Give it that fresh flavor.
And give it that fresh flavor. Pat things down. And I mean, this is just a nice Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
Lighten things up a little bit.
And simple, really, right?
Yeah, very direct. Get it over there.
Yes.
Grab our seasoning.
That's the basic rub.
This is our Dog Days rub, but I mean, you can use anything. If you're into a Mediterranean feel, or if you're into a Cajun, you know, we've done everything on this. Whatever spices you got at home that you're comfortable with using.
Works. And there's lots of blends out there too you can buy.
So many blends, yep. Stop by at your nearest butcher shop.
There you go.
Modelo Meats.
Yeah.
Grab your spices.
Perfect.
Easy peasy. So now we've got the green egg, 350.
Yeah, perfect.
We're gonna hop these on here.
When cooking with charcoal, I find if you go a little bit hotter with chicken, the skin won't get rubbery. So you want to keep it.
Yeah, you'll give it a nice little crisp. Yeah, absolutely. So we're gonna let these go. You want about a temperature of 165 in there. 165. I like to go maybe a little bit higher.
I do too, because I want the dark meat to start breaking down a little bit.
Exactly. So I usually 168 to 172 is what I like. It all depends on your preference, but that's where I like to see it when we finish with it.
Awesome.
All right.
All right, so we'll let that go. We'll come back and we'll do.
I've got a really cool side dish I want to share with everybody, and you know, it's a nice summer day.
I think it might involve that.
Might involve some watermelon, absolutely,
Perfect.
for sure.
All right, we'll be back. All right, welcome back to Butcher Meat Chef with Jeff Jenkins from Dog Days Bbq. You're going to teach us how to do something I've never heard of before, a grilled watermelon salad?
Yeah, so it's summertime. We want something a little bit lighter, a little fresh.
Yep.
Right, so we're going to do a grilled watermelon salad. I'm going to cut the watermelon up. We're going to get some grill marks on it.
Okay.
Help sweeten it up a little bit. And then I'm going to add some pickled red onion to bring a little bit of tartness. And then I'm going to add some feta cheese to bring the salty.
Right.
And then you got the sweet with the watermelon. I do have dill, but I'm going to save that for the end. So when I put that on my chicken.
All right,
A
perfect.
little bit of fresh dill for garnish.
All right.
So basically, you're just going to cut it in sections.
Cut a little thick because it's you don't want it to deteriorate on
Exactly. Only takes a few minutes. You just want to get some nice grill marks on it, some color. And so let's cut up in sections here.
It's a nice looking watermelon too.
Yeah, I saw this today and I thought of it. Needed something a little different.
And that's nice you came up with this side dish today, right? Because it's all about experimenting.
That's right. And I'm going to tell you right now, I've never made this dish before, ever.
That's the perfect way to cook.
Today's the first
Figure
time.
it out.
Yeah, we'll see how it works. Should be a few minutes there. While that's getting ready, see how our chicken's doing.
Okay.
We'll get it wrapped, we'll let it rest.
Perfect. Alrighty, give that a few seconds, we'll be back. Look at that beautiful salad. You had the pickled onions in there. You had
Pickled
the
onions.
balsamic vinegar, the feta cheese, watermelon. That was
Absolutely.
it, eh? Beautiful.
This is our summertime salad.
I've never seen that. I'm excited to try that. That's
So,
awesome.
Not gonna lie to you, Greg, so am I.
Oh, awesome.
First time.
First time doing it.
First
That's
time.
what cooking is, experimenting,
Exactly,
right?
experiment.
Awesome.
Especially this time of year, the best time to do it.
Let's see that chicken. So we had it, we took it off, we wrapped it up.
Let it rest.
Beautiful.
Nice and juicy.
I'll get rid of that.
Yes, sir. Carve this all the way out.
That is nice. So a lot of people think cooking with charcoal is difficult, but if you cook indirect, in reality, you put it on and you leave it. You got an hour, hour and a half to cook that. Probably an hour and a half, I think, for that.
Yep.
And
then
look at the
also
color
keep-
on it.
Look at the color on it. That dill, that fresh dill.
Beautiful.
Turned out really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. So if you have some people over, it's always nice to throw some garnish on there.
Garnish on there. Carve it up for them.
Yeah, look like a chef.
And then we're going to finish it off with a little olive oil.
That's beautiful. Don't want to forget this. Wayne
Yeah.
McLean's Big Mac barbecue sauce.
Absolutely. So this is one of our favorites.
Yep.
It's Big Wayne from Big Mac Barbecue. He is this is the bold Southern barbecue sauce.
Nice.
This also is a great accompaniment with any chicken, turkey, any poultry that you're doing.
Yeah.
Big shout out to Wayne and the family.
Beautiful.
And then we will finish that off with just a little bit of fresh dill. on
To
top.
bring you back with the flavors that
Bring
you
you back with the flavors that you started off with.
You brined it in.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's
There you
beautiful.
go. So you've got your summertime salad, you've got your chicken, we've got some grilled veggies here, and this is this nice light dinner
Oh baby.
at any time.
I gotta take a bite of that. Oh, you can really taste that dill in there.
Yeah.
That's delicious.
Nice light,
I love it.
a lot of flavor,
Look at
nice and
Look
juicy.
at how the dark meat just falls apart. And juicy. It's not dried out. That is beautiful. Love it.
Well, thanks, Greg. I
Well, as
appreciate you
always,
having-
thanks for coming out.
Yeah, man. I appreciate you
And I gotta
having
try
me
this.
again.
Beautiful.
We got some food now. We'll dig in and
Yep. So try Dog Days Bbq if you ever need catering, and check out his food trucks and his brick and mortar when he gets it
brick
going.
and mortar coming this fall, 585 St. Clair Street, and then we're also expanding out to a bit of a realm on our catering end of it. We're going to be introducing our Italian food truck.
Oh, that's nice.
Wood-fired pizza ovens. It's got a calzone. We're gonna do calzones, pizzas, flatbreads.
Oh, that's
all
exciting.
your authentic Italian eat streets.
Awesome.
So something new coming up.
Good stuff. You never stop, buddy.
No.
Good job.
All right, thank you.
Take
Appreciate
care.
it.
Yep.